Welcome to Tombstone Butte, also known as the Needles on some maps. As you will see, it's a really popular camping site. As the name implies, it's a tombstone-shaped sandstone fin rising dramatically from the desert landscape about 20 miles northwest of Moab, Utah. Starting in Moab, we drive north on Highway 191 over the Colorado River. When we get to Moab Giants Dinosaur Museum, we turn left onto Highway 313, which is the main access road to Canyonlands National Park Island in the Sky District. At Debinky Well Road, we turn right onto a well-maintained dirt road, and at Secret Spire, we take a left, and it's just a few miles to Tombstone Butte. The drone footage starts about 5 miles north of Tombstone Butte, which is actually hidden from view by the mesa in the distance. The area around Tombstone is also very interesting and beautiful, with various mesas rising up from the desert floor. Here is our first glimpse of Tombstone Butte off in the distance under a painted sky. The previous footage was shot the evening before. Now it's early morning and we will get a close-up view of Tombstone. This is truly a magical place to camp. I have seen it crowded like it is today, and I've also been here with no one. It really depends on the weather. This is April, so the temperature is perfect and the crowds are big.